we want to make sure that we then use those assessments to identify what's going to give the biggest return on investment for that particular group. And then finally, once we've done all of that, we build a 1 to 5 year roadmap, just kind of dependent on the organization that we're working with, as to what should be digitized, and then what processes within the organization can be optimized in order to drive the biggest business benefit. So we're giving the organization a presentation at the end of the day. We're giving them a final report that not only lays out at a high level what needs to be done, but how to do it, how much we anticipate that both costing, as well as how much we anticipate that giving back to you from like a savings perspective. So we really get into the details not only of what needs to happen, but how, which I think is pretty huge when we talk about actually executing the work. So changing gears a little bit, I know you're fresh off a few of these roadmap projects. So tell us a little bit about what types of technologies you've been recommending to companies as you're working with them.
Yeah, absolutely. And what's really cool about this whole endeavor is that the recommendations we give to organizations are completely tailored to them, right?